Say hi, Grandma. Yeah? Gonna tell Grandma I put a bow in her hair? I put a bow in your hair today. You didn't like it, right? Tell her, I don't like the bows. Tell her, I don't like bows. Yeah? Uh-huh. Tell Grandma, say, no bows. Say, no bows. Go ahead, say it. Say, no bows. Say, Grandma, I want no bows in my hair. Say, Grandma, I don't want any bows in my hair.